Want to help keep your emails out of the spam folder and build your brand's reputation as a safe sender? Authenticating your outbound email helps to improve your deliverability by verifying to Internet Service Providers, or ISPs, that the message is actually coming from your organization. Email authentication is an industry standard that helps reduce spoofing and phishing, which is when someone sends fraudulent messages appearing to be from reputable companies in order to trick individuals into revealing sensitive information such as passwords and credit card numbers. It's especially important for brands who send through an email marketing service, like Constant Contact, because without authentication, emails sent from a third party can be confused as a spoof. Have you ever received an email in your inbox with a big warning message that the email may not be coming from who it says it is? Depending on the email client, an email that isn't authenticated could show a message like this to the recipient. You may have heard about the latest email authentication requirements being implemented by Google, Yahoo, Microsoft, and other mailbox providers. Email that doesn't meet the stronger standards are prevented from being delivered to their users' inboxes. But don't panic. We're here to help you comply so your emails keep landing in your contacts' inboxes. If you use a free webmail address, such as halfmoonyoga@gmail.com, or if you have a custom domain email address, such as marsha@halfmoonyoga.com, but don't have access to update the DNS records, we automatically rewrite your from email address with our shared ccsend.com domain, which complies with the industry email authentication requirements. You have the option to customize this subdomain too, so that it better reflects your organization and looks more professional, like marsha@halfmoonyoga.ccsend.com. However, if you own your own website domain like halfmoonyoga.com and use a matching email address like marsha@halfmoonyoga.com, we recommend that you self-authenticate your emails to build your sending reputation under your own domain instead of under Constant Contact. In addition to looking more professional with a from email address that matches your website, it also helps to align your brand across communication channels. And once your email is authenticated, over time, ISPs will be more likely to route your emails into your contacts' inboxes and not their spam folders. Setting up self-authentication in your Constant Contact account allows us to sign your outbound messages with DKIM, or Domain Keys Identified Mail, which is an email security standard designed to verify that messages aren't altered in transit between the sending and recipient email servers. We generate the DKIM information for you, which you'll need to add to your domain's DNS records through your website's hosting provider like GoDaddy or HostGator. This can be done by you, your webmaster, or your IT department if you have one. Once your domain is authenticated, anytime you send an email using a from email address with that domain, your message has the best chance of being delivered to your contacts' inboxes. Check out this video to get started with self-authenticating your emails and help to improve your deliverability with Constant Contact.